Ako, mahal ko. Oh, ano ba? Ako, mahal ko.
Ikaw nakaisip ng segment na yun. Ayan ka tuloy.
Mahal ko.
O, parehas tayo. Mahal kita. Mahal mo
Mahal
ako. Okay.
Mahal ko. Guys, ayun. Naiyak talaga. Nakakainis naman to. Yun.
Grabe yung love mo sa akin, nakakaiyak. Ganun, pero ganun talaga yan. Pag love mo ng isang tao, maiiyak ka talaga pag i-explain mo siya.
Yun, guys. No further,
What? Gusto ko namang marinig. Grabe ka naman. Minsan lang may magsabi sa akin, mahal.
Kasi diba, yun nga, so, yung, lalo na nung time na nagkaroon tayo ng misunderstanding.
Asan nun? Nung PBB days?
Ubay.
Ay,
Kasi
yung 1 week.
yun naman talaga yung malala diba? Sobrang nasaktan ako. Tapos hindi ko talaga kaya. Hindi ko talaga kaya. As in, hindi ko talaga kaya. Tapos, sabi ko pa, nung time na yun, sabi ko, shucks, parang hindi ko na makakausap ulit ng kung paano kami ni Ate Colette before. Nung time na yun yung nasa utak ko, shucks, paano ako babalik sa dati na hindi ako awkward sa'yo, ganon. Tapos, nitong matatapos yung last year and until this year, wala parang isa ka na sa pinaka gusto kong, alam mo yun, parang isa ka na sa pinaka nakakasundo ko talaga na,
Actually, ako din naman.
diba?
Parang ikaw, si Sheena, tapos ikaw.
Parang hindi mo in-expect na mangyayari. Wala lang.
Kasi ako, bala ko talaga hindi na kita kakausapin, promise.
Nyo, kumusta po yung modules nyo, yung work nyo, yung assignment nyo, yung home. Modules? Pilingera ka talaga. Modules. Yes.
Is it you say daddy's home for me? And I know you've been waiting for this loving day. You know your daddy's home and it's time to rest. Yeah, so you ain't got to give my love away. So I'ma lady say hey, hey, hey daddy, hey, hey. So I'ma lady say hey, hey.
Iba na lang.
Footwear.
Footwear. 3, 2, 1.
Sneakers! Iba kami ng
Iba kami ng
taste eh. Sorry guys. Hindi kami compatible.
Suri.
Boots?
Kay Joanna po kasi
Hindi ko kayo
clogs.
nagbo-boots.
Hindi, kasi telepathy dun.
Kay Joanna po kasi clogs. Boots na una ko naisip. Kasi yun yung hindi ko pa natatanggal sa maleta.
Listening to our favorite song, I have faith in what I see. Now I know I have met an angel in person, and she looks right.
Si Ate Colette. Machino ka.
Opo, nandun po si... Kakain lang ako sa kukuha ko ng... Opo, nandun po si Miss G. At hindi ko po sasabihin kung anong ginawa namin. Anong ginawa namin? Kung nagngiti
Ano?
Nandun ba daw si Miss G? Nandun, syempre. Nahiya kasi ako, pero...
O, diba? Tapos ako sasabihin mo na wala akong mag-picture bago umalis kasi nahiya ako.
Andiyan si Miss Q, katabi mo.
Ew!
Chi.
Kung ko nga nakikita yung sinasabi nyo eh. Hindi ko nga nakikita yung mukha ko dun eh. Siyempre, ang ganda-ganda nun. Sino ba naman ko?
One time, hindi nyo alam to. Kami lang ni Joanna may alam na. May sinabi si Joanna na ang sama talaga ng loob ko. Tapos, hindi ako makatulog, sinat ko siya. Kinompose ko muna.
Wait lang, 12 a.m. to 12 a.m.
Kinompose ko muna sa notes ng phone ko tapos bago ko minessage sa kanya. Sobrang haba. Sabi niya, Ate Colette, sorry, ganyan. Yun yung may, I love you. Yun yun, di ba? Yung pinost niya, yun. So, yun.
Kasi si Ate Colette, hindi siya pala sabi ng I love you. So parang, nung
Kaya
time
lang
na
siya
yun,
nag-I love you.
Oo. Hindi, nung time na yun, parang nakahinga ako ng maluwag kasi hindi ko rin kaya matulog ng ano.
Rainbow notes upon the wall. Dancing children under rainfalls. Perfect sunset set to 10. Then we begin again. There's a ribbon in the sky, painted rivers on the moonlight. Moving pictures say the words of a story that begins. I'll hold your hand and wipe your tears. We'll laugh until we run out of beers. 'Cause no matter if our blue skies turn to gray, there's a ray of sun that's bound to light our way. And although the roads are rough, I'll get through it just because I have my you. You have your me. No matter what may come, we'll have our we. And I can't turn back now. This is rolling
I remember the day, even wrote down the day that
Không bèm.
now it's crossed out as well, but I still can't forget if I wanted to. And I'm everywhere I go, but it's all in my head. It's just all in my head. But you won't see me break. Call you up in 3 days or send you a bouquet saying it's a mistake. Drink my troubles away. One more glass of champagne and you know I'm the first to say that I'm not perfect, and you're the first to say